I'm Stephen Conrad. I am the Natural Capital Advisor for the North Coast region. Natural capital is an ideology, it's a way of thinking about natural assets, things in nature, as traditional capital like you would for a business. So the assets in nature and the function that those assets perform in nature, it's a way of thinking about them, a way of tracking them like you would assets for a traditional business. The opportunities for landholders with natural capital, I think, start at the farm gate by assessing the status of your natural resources and tracking them through time. You can see how management techniques might improve or degrade those assets. And you can start looking for ways to save on costs or techniques that really benefited the health of the asset. You know, that improved asset condition might lead to improved productivity, might lead to being able to participate in credit trading schemes such as carbon trading. Also things like obtaining industry sustainability credentials.